Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. Another part for my new PC build from Be Quiet, Silent Base 802 with window. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Ta-da! On a black matte color. Wow, it is beautiful. Tempered glass at the front with many accessories. Here included the feet with rubber silicone. We need to install them at the case. The mesh, you can replace the already installed at the front with this mesh. Magnetic filter. Screws, cable management, all included. Fixing the motherboard and a power supply bracket, fastening the SSD, fixing the HDD, cable management, Be Quiet, 6 of that. Definitely it will be very useful. And of course we have the instructions, user manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Starting with the feet assembly. Just press and it locks. The same here. That was all. Nice. Now at the bottom you can just slide that and remove the filter. You can install here another two 120 or 140 millimeter fan. Not more, because here will be the power supply. I like the filter, so easy to remove and install, and it locks. At the back you can install the power supply. We don't have any limitations, plenty space. You need to remove these 4 screws. Remove this bracket, install at the power supply. I will show you later on the next video for my new PC build. And then install again the power supply with a bracket here. Here you can install your graphic card vertical or horizontal. I like that. We have one 140 millimeter pure wing 2 fan. You can install in 120 millimeter. Ventilation, I/O for the motherboard. And here we have in this smart button, just press and remove the tempered glass. 4 millimeter thickness for the tempered glass. I like that. Press and it locks. Both sides and here. I like it, it's so cool. At the front we have this black matte interchangeable front panel, Be Quiet logo. Just press up and remove. Wow! We have in this insulation for noise reduction. I like it. It is about 7 millimeter thickness. Wow! Okay. And next you can install this mesh. I like more the mesh because I think it will have a better airflow. Up, slide down, and it locks. And I can see my RGB fans. Left and right we have more mesh for air circulation. And again, let's remove that. And inside we have another filter. Just press that. You can remove the filter. And inside we have another two 140mm fans. Total you can install 3 140mm or 120mm. And of course you can install your water cooling, the radiator, from 120mm to 420mm with 1, 2 or 3 fans. I like it. Plenty space. Definitely it will fit perfect my radiator with the fans. And then again just press and it locks. So easy to install all these parts. Now at the top we have ventilations left and right. You can remove these covers, magnetic mounting, I like that. And again we have about 2mm thickness insulation for the noise. And you can install this Be Quiet logo. It is magnetic, mesh, so you can have a better airflow. It is your choice how you want to use it. And of course you can install at the top 120mm or 140mm 3 fans. And of course you can install end radiator 120, 240 or 360mm. So many combinations, I like that. For me, I will use the mesh for better airflow and I think it looks great. I/O panel, the on-off button with LED indicator, reset button, LED indicator for the hard drive, 2 USB 3.2 Type A, mic and audio, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and the air control for the fans, auto 1, 2, 3. Let's remove the panel, press the button, so easy. Here we have this soft rubber for softer close. We can remove this plastic if we want. Let's say maybe you want to install more fans here. And of course we need to remove at the front this plastic for the radiator, because we need to install the radiator. Be Quiet logo here. I can say the whole construction is very well. The fan. At the motherboard area we can install E-ATX, ATX, M-ATX or Mini I-ITX. We have the cable management here, holes. Very soft, I like that. Installed the washers for the motherboard. And here we have 5 plastic covers if you want to install more hard drives. Max we have 7 slots for 3.5-inch hard drive. 5 here and another 2 here. There is a case inside, I will show you. I will open the back panel and we can check on that. And another 15 drives, 2.5-inch. Removing the plastics from here, we can check on the power supply inside. We have another box with accessories. Here it is the area for the radiator with the fans. The radiator, if you will install 420 or 360, it will go all the way down. And we can remove this bracket. First we need to remove these 2 screws, one here and one here. And then just slide. Wow. And here at the top you can install the 3 120 or 140mm fans and the radiator. It is your choice. So easy. And then you can just slide again inside. I like it. And of course you can remove the back panel for the motherboard and make the case left to right or right to left. Amazing. It depends where you will install your PC case and you need to have the glass panel facing at the front just to check all your parts inside. Now at the back, just press again the button to remove the back panel. And we have, wow, thick insulation. Definitely it is about 8 mm. I like it. And reveal everything at the back. And at the back we have all these cables. USB 3, Type-C connection, reset, power, HDD LED, and the LED for the on button, HD audio cable, the connection for the board here for all the fans. You can connect that, it is a PWM cable. Connect that at your motherboard, and you can control from the motherboard all the fans, and you can connect another 3 fans here. And we have the power for this board. Nice board. And the cable management here. And again here we have all the cables. Closer look. Here we have the power supply area, and we can remove this tray for the 2 hard drives. There it is, rubber left and right for the vibration. I like it. And of course you can remove the base bracket for the HDD bracket totally if you want. Left and right, it can go left and right. It depends what parts you have if you want this tray. And here we can remove one of these plastic covers. Just press, remove, and at the box it comes with another one. You can install that inside here. Screw up and down, and of course it comes with a silicone pad again for your hard drive. And there is the hard drive bay. Of course, if you have a radiator, I don't think so you can use that. It depends the thickness of the radiator. Let's see. In my case, it is 3.8 mm. Okay, it is exactly. Maybe I can use it. We will see. I would like to use this tray because I am a content creator. I have many hard drives. And here, of course, you can install another SSD. You can just remove the screw, install the SSD, and again install the tray. The same in here. You have a clearance for your motherboard. Install maybe your water cooling. It helps a lot. And here, this area, it is empty. It helps for the cable management. And of course, the radiator. You can install and the radiator. Plenty space, I can say. You have a huge gap here for the cable management. The holes. I can't wait to start the PC build and see how they go everything inside. Here we have silicone rubber. Definitely it helps a lot when the back panel is closing. It will stay very secure, it will not moving around. The case has plenty space for CPU water cooling. HDD or SSD drives if you are a content creator like me and you need storage, that box is a good choice. Plenty space for cable management at the back, large fans and interchangeable mesh for better air circulation. For gamers it can fit any graphic card. The box is made for plenty adjustments. Has a good design, you can choose black or white color. It weighs about 12 kg. It feels that I have a very good quality PC case. Final video is coming with a PC build, don't miss it. Hit notification bell, subscribe and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.